Well, a very good evening to you from this viewpoint of, if I can show you here, Kamnik Castle. Now, in my last live video, I did from the top of Kamnik Castle, and I told you how the views from the top of that castle over to the Julian Alps and the Kamnik Alps and everything is really, really fantastic. And I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video, I certainly mentioned it in previous videos, that there was a viewpoint from which you can see the castle and Storžič Mountain right behind, and this is it. Now let me show you the picture I've got already today. There it is, beautiful autumn colours, the castle sitting on the hill and Mount Storžič right behind it. And this view also, this viewpoint, not only takes that in, but also takes in the rest of the Kamnik Alps. So you can actually pan between that photo I've just taken there and, let me show you, and the Kamnik Alps themselves. See? So I've got one now here, and then I panned around to the Kamnik Alps, back again to this shot, then there to Mount Grinsevet, some lovely light falling on Mount Grinsevet, managed to capture that, and then further around over there to Oystritsa, so the whole width of the Kamnik Alps, and you can swing back and forth for various compositions, and this is what I love about this location where I am now. Now I've just finished my autumn group workshop. As you probably know, we didn't have the best of weather for most of the time, but we made the best of it and we got some great shots. That's what it's all about. The last day was good and the weather's good now, and unfortunately I think it's turning again. But this location is not really a location I would bring a group to, and not really would be on my standard workshops, because not because it's not great, it is absolutely fantastic, but obviously there are many of these prime locations that most people come here for the first time want to visit. But the other thing too is I don't want to start bringing lots and lots of groups to locations like this, because these are one of the few kind of relatively unknown locations. I mean, I don't even know if I'm actually the only one who photographs from here, because I never ever see any other photographers up here. I only discovered this viewpoint when hiking up the hill here with my family. So it's kind of a bit of a gem, but also I don't want to bring lots and lots of big groups and lots of people here. But I will bring private workshops. So if you ever book a private one-day workshop with me, or even a private 2 or 3 day workshop, and you would like to come to this location, then I would be happy to take you. So it's ideal for a location for just one person perhaps, but not big groups and not on a standard workshop. But you can also, way in the distance over there, you can just about see Mount Triglav. So it's obviously enshrouded in cloud, but when it's clear, there's a viewpoint just over here, a certain viewpoint. You've got to get over there and get a bit higher above some of the trees, the buildings and the electricity pylons. But if you get that, then you can get Mount Triglav there. And that's it right there. Right there in the middle, just that little bit of cloud, that's Mount Triglav. And then, as I said, over here, you've then got all of the Kamnik Alps. So this big section of the Kamnik Alps here, and then right behind Kamnik Castle, Storžič. So it's fantastic, fantastic location. I love this place. Okay, so sunset's about to come. Got a bit of colour before, as you saw by my pictures, and I'll put some of them up later. Doesn't look like there's going to be much more colour, but you never know. The sun has gone down over there, and so, you know, it might light up some of those clouds, or it might not. We'll see. If it does, if I get a better picture, I'll certainly be sticking that up later on. Okay, so thanks if anyone actually tuned in to watch this, and I hope certainly the good thing about these live videos is that they stay on there and you can watch them later if you aren't able to watch it from where you are now. Okay, catch you later.